Alright, tube, I got a little brake cleaner, not a whole lot. It should be enough to take care of this. One good thing about brake cleaning, it really doesn't take a lot to get the job done. Do I really have to wipe up there? Let the oil get hot and melt. It might get on the rotor. So that's why I wipe it off up there. And we're going to turn it over and do the back side. Alright, now some people say I shouldn't use paper towel. I rather for it to have paper towel residue than to have oil. Alright. I checked yesterday, the rotor did fit. Put a lug nut on it. Not making any noise, so I guess it does fit. Alright, what I gotta do now? Oh, put the bracket back on. Alright, I don't have any grease. I don't have any grease to put on this thing. But you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna wipe it off. And I'm not gonna worry about it. There's enough grease left over inside that thing. So, oh, by the way, I changed the pad holders when I get it on. Oh. Something I've never tried before. I'm gonna try it today. I'm gonna spray WD-40 on here to try to get rid of this damn Loctite crap. You do not need Loctite on here. It is not coming loose. It's not coming loose. So why did Cadillac put it on there? Somebody sitting behind a desk. Bet you it was somebody sitting behind a desk. Idea. Try not to spray too much, but I spray too much. All right. Put this in reverse. See, can we get it to go on? It went some. That one went all the way. All right, that's as far as I can take it with the short ratchet. We'll put the long ratchet in. I heard somebody say, I was watching a video of a guy doing this. Watching the video of a guy doing this, he said something about they supposed to have 70 or 80 pound-feet of torque. I don't give a flying monkey. I will that's tight enough. That is tight enough. It is not coming loose. And the funny thing is, the people who disagree with me probably never even put brakes on them. The YouTubers that disagree with me probably never put brakes on them. What do they call them? Armchair quarterbacks. I'm trying not to hurt my hand. I'm gonna use this bulletproof plastic. Or should I say childproof? Crazy, that man. That's crazy. Alright. Oh, hell, all of them got these clips on them. I guess it doesn't matter. All of them got clips on them. Oh, yeah. Oh, it didn't come with new ones. The Wagner didn't come with clips. Now, some people will take a wire brush and clean out the clips. You can do whatever you want to. Don't worry about it. What exactly is the clip for? Some people say it's to control noise. No, it's to make the pads not move around. That's all they're there for. It keeps the pad out from moving around. And as you can see, the pad is not moving around. So they're fine. And those who used to watch my video, don't put any grease. Don't put any kind of grease. Don't put any kind of sticky stuff. You don't need nothing. If you use a good brake pad, you don't have to put, well, if you use a bad brake pad, putting stuff on that is not going to help anyway. Like these are the pads that came off. Okay, look at this. This is a shim. It's just called an integrated shim. Okay, this is a shim that's not integrated. It's riveted on. What is a shim? It's just a flat piece of metal. This metal is slightly softer than this metal here, and it allows the brake caliper to vibrate. A brake squeal is nothing but a vibration. That's all it is. Well, this shim dampens that vibration so you don't hear it. Don't ask why I'm having a problem pronouncing that word. All right, so now we're gonna try to push this and come back. Oh, gotta get it come back on. Told y'all I had enough grease in it. And push that down. It's back on. So I guess it went in for enough, huh? Now, it's this Loctite again. Put a little WD-40 on there. So next time I pull it out, it'll come out pretty easy. Might have to adjust this a little bit. There we go. Now I can use my electric. It's going in. Alright, we're going to take the small ratchet and we're going to tighten down on it. How tight do you put it? Damn. How tight do you put it? It's a 12 millimeter socket. You don't torque 12 millimeter socket. You don't need to know the torque spec for a 12 millimeter socket, 11 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter socket. Just put the suckers on and snug them down. You're done. That's all. You ain't gotta make it that complicated. God, people get on my nerve. What's that guy? Tavares, the guy who's working on the Lamborghini. I can't talk about the man. Well, I'm gonna talk about the man. The guy went from like 160-some thousand subscribers, and he got over 300,000 since he bought that Lamborghini. Maybe I need to get a Lamborghini and work on it. But anyway, the guy broke some bolts. They wasn't 10 mil. It was like Allen head bolts, but the bolts wasn't much larger than a 10 millimeter bolt. He put 50 pounds per square inches, and wonder why he broke them. You don't torque small diameter bolts. You don't torque small diameter bolts. You don't need to know the torque spec. Anyway, I gotta take this back off. We're gonna put the rotor on. Put the wheel on. Oh, I forgot to wipe down the edge of that. All right, took a little bit of brake cleaning. Will it matter? Probably not. But like I said, if this oil melt, it could melt down onto the friction part of the rotor, and it will create what they call hot spots. My hands may be a little greasy, so I'm wiping off. I don't think I've touched it, put any grease in it, but just in case. Just in case. So, move this, put the tire back on, I'm done on the right side. Can't wait to see how much better it stops, if it actually stops better. One on top, one on bottom. And put the rest on. What did I ever do before I bought a cordless impact wrench? Okay, we're done on this side. Guys, I am not going to record myself doing the other side. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. My back is starting to hurt. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Dre, I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Bye.